Monotonous? Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Monotonous is an adjective. And para malaman kung ano ibig sabihin niya, pwede natin siyang hati-hatiin. Mono means one. Kaya nga may monocot tsaka dicot pagdating sa seeds, di ba? Tapos yung ton naman or tone ay yung tunog or pitch. Something related to sound. Something related to sound. So, mono, tone, one, sound. Kaya kapag monotonous, ibig sabihin, parang isang nota lang o isang sound yung laging paulit-ulit na nangyayari. Of one sound or tone, parang walang nagbabago, walang exciting. So kung gusto natin gamitin ng sentence, you could say something like, the speech he wrote was good. It was his monotonous delivery that made it sound boring. Now, para hindi niyo makalimutan, gamitin niyo agad na sentence, write it in the comments below, and don't forget to follow me for more.